So this is the burnt bit of carpet that I need to cut out and then patch it. So basically it's burnt and I burnt it. There we go, we cut out the square, the burnt square, and then what we do is we get a bit of off-cut carpet like so, put that in, okay, and cut it, glue it in, and then get that sorted. Okay, so come back to you in a bit. So now we just basically have to put the glue in, put carpet adhesive in all down, nice and thick. Put plenty of it in. It does smell, so make sure it's really well ventilated area. Okay, give it a good soak. And then we get the patch in. Okay, so just lift up the carpet ever so slightly. Get the patch in. Okay. There we go. Give it a roll with the seam roller. Let that dry. Let that nicely dry into there now. Okay, so that's the patch in now. It's obviously a slightly different colour. First thing we need to do is put some weight on it. So put an upside down table, like so. And then just put a load of books or whatever. So just to weigh it all down. So I've got like a bag of books here. That'll weigh it down. Let's leave that overnight and see what it looks like in the morning. Okay, so the moment of truth. Lift the weights off that we left on last night. Just a pile of books. And let's see how it's turned out. Yeah, it's turned out quite well as that, to be honest. Settled really well. Just a matter of blending it in now, and that should be good to go. Excellent. And now with the seam roller, we just roll out and go with the grain of the original carpet. And it should just fit right into place. There we go. It's good as new. Slight patch here. Again, just go over it with the seam roller. And done.